Hey everybody! So we are going to make some peach ice cream today. So we're going to start out with, this is 3 peaches we're needing. I'm doing a half a batch, so it's 1 cup. So you would double this recipe if you wanted to make a full batch. So I'm figuring maybe this is about 1 cup of peaches, and we're going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar to the peaches, and then I'm going to use my meat squisher and smash the peaches. Now if you wanted a smooth ice cream, you can run this through the food processor or blender or whatever and get it really smooth. But I want some pieces of peach in my ice cream. And if you're new to the channel, please like, comment, and subscribe. We do all sorts of things: food preservation, canning, dog food, dog treats, prepper pantry hauls, all sorts of recipes, leftover makeovers, pantry meals, sun oven cooking, which, speaking of, I want to do lasagna in the sun oven today, so I'm hoping it doesn't rain. There's that slight chance, but it's also supposed to be 106 degrees, so we'll see. What is today? Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, or Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. It's supposed to be in the 90s and raining, and then go back up into the hundreds. The reason for the sugar when you're doing this is to get the juice, which we are succeeding with that here. It's very juicy. I think this is going to be more than a cup. It's 1.25 cups. That's okay. I'll just add a couple extra tablespoons of cream. Okay, so we've got our peaches done, and then in a bowl, hopefully this all fits, we're going to put an additional 1/2 cup of sugar. See all the cucumbers I got this morning? I thought I got them all the other day. And I've got cantaloupe growing. That was a nice surprise. So they'll love the rain. Got some tomatoes. So there's some jalapenos on the plant that Rocky hasn't destroyed. So saw a few green beans and some flowers, so hopefully they don't drop off from the heat. And the cool down tomorrow helps them get established into green beans. Gonna add 1 cup of cream. much cream are they giving us these days? It says a quart. This looks small. And I'll add a couple extra tablespoons for that extra, oops, quarter cup of peaches. And you could use your condensed milk and evaporated milk to make this if it were like a situation where you couldn't buy dairy but you had fruit, you have fruit trees or something. You can use condensed milk, sweetened condensed milk, and evaporated milk, or your shelf-stable cream and shelf-stable milk. I mean, there's lots of ways you can still make ice cream with your pantry items. And if you have one of those old crank type ice cream makers, I have a kind of an old-timey one, but it plugs in. And I added my milk and a quarter teaspoon of vanilla. Just want to mix this all up really well. And like I said, if you wanted just a smooth peach ice cream, just run those peaches through your blender or food processor. So there is our peach. Okay, camera cut off. So we are going to put the peach mixture into the machine. And if you have an ice cream maker, just follow whatever the directions are on it. And when it's ready, we'll put it in a container and put it in the freezer. You can either do the soft serve out of your machine or put it in the freezer for, you know, like regular ice cream cone type ice cream. So I will show that to you when we're taking it out of the machine. Okay, everybody, that's what my ice cream looks like. And we're squished over here because the sun is out. It's hotter than Hades. So I'm going to do the lasagna. So I've been outside running around setting up the sun oven, and now the ice cream's about ready. So before I start getting into the lasagna, I'm going to put that in these containers. Whew, it's hot out there. Hopefully the ice maker piles up the ice again so hubby doesn't go, "Where'd all the ice go?" Get this out of the, oh wait. Okay. Get that motor out of the way. We're going to have to taste this. And there's a fly in here. I hear it. It's one of them. Do you hear that noisy fly? It's from my running in and out all day. I'm going to put that lasagna in the sun oven. Take a shower. And I think take a nap because I've had no sleep. Okay. see. This is cold. You know we're going to have to taste this. It's got nice pieces of peach in there. You could eat this as soft serve now, or put it in the freezer to harden up. Well, it's too bad my husband doesn't like peach ice cream, because I got 2 containers of this. Ooh, thing's cold. So let's taste this. Oh, it's yummy. That is a perfect summer treat. So put your containers in the freezer, and then after dinner you've got a nice lovely dessert, or later on in the day you have something wonderful to cool you off. So if you have any cool ice cream recipes, post them down below. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, like, comment. Anything will help. And that's the only way these channels survive. So I've been putting out something every day and it's not working. So anyways, here's my peach ice cream. You all take care. You stay safe. You stay healthy. You stay cool. And I will see you in the next video. We're going to do lasagna in the sun oven.